Hi, my name is Dennis Pham, and I am a product manager on Epson's business printing team. In the modern business world, everyone is looking for solutions that are reliable and productive with environmental benefits. When it comes to printing, they expect the device to always work. Today, I am very excited to introduce two cutting-edge multifunction printers designed to deliver exceptional reliability and to maximize productivity. Meet Epson's new WorkForce Pro EM-C8101 and EM-C8100, A3 color multifunction printers. These color multifunction devices are powered by Epson's industrial-proven, simple, smart, and clean precision core heat-free technology. This advanced printing architecture is built for reliability with low maintenance intervention. Both devices are designed to support high business productivity. They deliver high-quality images and crisp black text that utilize DuraBright Pro fast-drying, water-resistant pigment inks. These printers offer a high yield of up to 86,000 ISO black pages and of up to 50,000 ISO color pages, the highest yield achieved in Epson's business printing portfolio. They require zero warm-up time with a fast first page out time of 5.5 seconds. Both devices support PC fax, IP fax, and red erase are available as purchased options. The EM-C8101 prints at 26 ppm black and 25 ppm color. The EM-C8100 prints at 25 ppm black and 24 ppm color. The EM-C8101 can scan up to 124 images per minute, single pass duplex. The EM-C8100 can scan up to 45 images per minute, single pass duplex. The EM-C8101 maximum paper capacity is 1900 with optional purchases. The EM-C8100 capacity is 1835 with optional purchases. The EM-C8101 has a built-in Super G3 high-speed fax and can add 2 additional fax cards. The EM-C8100 with a built-in Super G3 high-speed fax and a fast Ethernet connection. A convenient stapler option can be mounted on the side of the machine for manual stapling of up to 50 sheets. Both models support print and scan from mobile devices like iOS via AirPrint, Android via Mopria, and native Chromebook support. So you will stay connected and be efficient no matter where you are. You may add Epson Print Admin Serverless for an embedded, user-friendly, and hassle-free print management solution. They come with advanced network features such as SNMP version 3, TOS 1.3, IPsec, IP filtering, Wi-Fi 5, and up to SMB 3.0 support. They also are equipped with innovative product security features to guard against illegal firmware updates and malware infiltration detection. The EM-C8101 includes a TPM module for cryptography support and hard drive encryption. The sequential data deletion of job data helps bring peace of mind to customers who demand the highest data security. Both printers have recommended monthly print volume of 5,000 to 30,000 pages, and both devices are ideal for work groups that need to keep things moving fast. Their high ink yield option, combined with low energy consumption, low waste, and low maintenance, makes them perfect for applications such as education institute, a state local government, or small to medium-sized business. These WorkForce Pro EM-A3 series are designed to provide tangible environmental benefits, such as zero plastic toner, dramatic low energy consumption, significantly low maintenance waste, and low consumable waste. We are excited to help you take your business to the next level with these devices. For more information, contact your Epson sales representative.